I just wanna... Oh my god. Why do white boys always run off?
You're gonna sit with your aunt and uncle for a little while, okay?
They'll be looking for me soon. I can't stay long, Phineas. They might trace me back to this lab.
Why is the department releasing a statement saying that you killed your wife? Is there something I should know about? Something you need to tell me?
Phineas, I am so close. I am so close to finalizing a cure for cancer. She was alive. She was fine. I did everything I could.
Richard, did you kill your wife?
She was going to die anyways. The spiders didn't work because Oscorp discontinued our research. If I was just given more time, I could have stopped all of this from happening.
Richard, your strength. Did you allow the test spiders to bite you?
Oscorp wouldn't allow human testing. I needed to see if they held the cure, but the radiation was too powerful. I'm growing weaker by the day.
Then, sir, we need to get you to a hospital.
No, we have to keep this to ourselves. Oscorp will come looking for you if they find out you were trying to aid in my research. They like to tie off loose ends to keep their investors' confidence. Phineas, I am so close to finding a cure for cancer, but I need you to do one final thing for me to make it all worth it. I need you to make sure that when my boy has matured into an adult, that you bring him to Oscorp and get him bitten with our last remaining spider species.
Mr. Parker!
I was going to do all this myself before all this happened. The venom in the spider should be capable of carrying the super soldier serum into Peter's body and heighten his immune system. Then when the time is right, the boy must die so we can extract the immunity from his system.
You want me to lure him? To bait him like a fish on a hook?
The only reason I ever had him at all was to ensure that my research could live on in my bloodline should I fail. Don't pretend you care about him.
I can't be a part of this, Richard.
Then what can you be a part of? Peter's sacrifice could go on to save millions, Phineas. His life is minuscule in comparison. If you don't do this, you'll be the reasons thousands more die next month.
So when the time comes, Peter must die?
Yes. And you must make sure he is bitten. That is essential. He will only have a few years left after the bite before he dies of radiation poisoning. You must harvest him after the spider's brand of DNA has completely bonded with his own, otherwise his organs will be useless to us. We can't afford to fail, Phineas. When the time comes, Peter Parker must die.
Perfect.
Peter, if you hear this, it means I'm dead. It also means you've seen the security tapes I preserved for you before locking this shelter down. Apologies are not something I can truly give to you now. What I did was inexcusable and wicked. It is only in my final days that I realize now what I had done to you and our family. But it's not the only revelation I had. I found another way to cure cancer, but it also cures other illnesses, such as your radiation poisoning. I told Phineas that you would die within a decade's time after the bite. With this, you could live for 100. The suit will realign your system's immunity, feeding off the healing factors of your spider powers. You will become stronger, faster, and greater than anyone has ever imagined. The time is now to decide what you will do with this. Save the world from disease, or save the world from everything else.